I came into this with honestly kind of low expectations. I thought I'd just be sitting in a classroom and, I didn't think it was going to be terribly interesting. But this has been genuinely one of the most amazing experiences I've ever done. Like, we've got to go on I think 10 field trips and to really, really cool places as well. California high-speed rail, behind the scenes at the airport. That's like a dream come true for me.
My favorite activities in my participation at MiSTA has been the planning activities that we've done, ranging from the redesigning a city in the beginning on a first group project or redesigning a highway for the access of buses.
One thing that I was really excited about was to tour California high-speed rail. And it was amazing to get to see California high-speed rail down in Fresno, California, and hear from the people working on the project and how passionate they were about their jobs, that they want this to happen, and that there's a lot of excitement about the project. And getting to visit the Cedar Viaduct, getting to actually stand on the structure was incredible.
So my favorite field trip is the Diridon station, because not only did I get to walk around the whole site, I also got to brainstorm some improvements that would make the station better, especially the hidden light rails that were very difficult to access. The most impactful lesson I learned is that no one can complete a project alone. Whether it is building bridges on sticks or redesigning roads, we need the support of our mentors, colleagues, and friends. Thank you.